Iris and I'm from Harrow International School, Bangkok. Have you ever heard of the iconic journey of Voyager 1? I'm going to talk about it today. So when you normally think of space exploration, you normally think of the time when a man stepped on the moon. But the unmanned missions are just as important. But Voyager 1 isn't any normal unmanned mission, it's a journey through time. It started in the past, is still walking today, and is heading towards the future. Voyager 1 was launched in 1977 and is 47 years old now. Voyager 1's primary mission was to explore both Jupiter and Saturn, our two gas giants. In Jupiter, they explored the Great Red Spot, a storm that has been roaming there for centuries, and also discovered tiny invisible rings around Jupiter, which was very shocking. And a new moon called Io was introduced, which has alive volcanoes on them. In Saturn, they explored its rings and discovered that its moon Titan had an atmosphere. Very shocking news. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object ever launched and is traveling through interstellar space, and it's a very special mission. And it also contains our identity too, in something called a golden record. It's kind of like a time capsule. It contains our DNA, images, etc. Anything really that shows what life is like on Earth. But as Voyager 1's mission progresses, it has more and more problems. But none of the problems that have happened to it is as big as the problem in 2024. One day it sent back binary junk, a string of 1 and 0 we could not translate. But the NASA team figured out it must be the Flight Data Subsystem or FDS. And it was permanently damaged. So NASA needed to rewrite the whole of Voyager software and code, which would take them a very long time. And they can't send it in one big group. They need to send it in small segments. Each segment took 22 hours to reach Voyager 1. But finally, it was successfully revived and Voyager 1 was back to normal. Voyager 1 is a monument that broke the record of space traveling many times. And it shows us that even the oldest missions can still lead to new discoveries. It's a blend between the old technology that we used 50 years ago and the new technology we use today. And it's not just science. It's a symbol of human creativity, teamwork, and hope.